Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Vita. Today I'm here with the finale to my Turn and Burn project. This was a project that I was doing based on like a Fantastic Ladies formula. Not necessarily in collaboration with anyone, but just like a rolling project. And basically choosing items that were half empty, had started using, never finished, or deluxe sample sizes that I just wanted to use them up quickly. I'm so excited to get all this stuff out of my office because I've been saving these things. I'm so excited. There's no particular order because I don't remember. I'm just grabbing. We have the Wella Volume Boost Hydrate. No, nothing about this is hydrate. I'm having a stroke. Okay. Wella Volume Boost with Cotton Extract Uplifting Hair Mist. I didn't love this. I don't think it smelled terrible, by the way. I don't really think it worked, so I would not finish that again or use it again. The Bath & Body Works Amber and Argan Body Cream. I really liked this one. They of course don't make the scent anymore because why would they? I like it. Yay for hydration. I really like the Bath & Body Works Body Cream versus like the hand lotions. Those are very thin. I don't like those. But the body creams are thicker, but they don't feel greasy. But they're very hydrating. A super old Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy Ylang Myrrh Lotion. I'm still like a little sad that I finished this because I just loved how this smelled, but this has been long discontinued from Bath & Body Works. The Vichy Mineral 89 Eye Fortifier. I don't know. I didn't hate it, but I didn't think it was like the most amazing thing for eyes. My under eyes. It was fine. It was fine. I like the packaging. We have another eye serum, the Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Serum. I liked this. Did I notice a huge difference? No, but it didn't make my eyes look old or it didn't irritate them. So that's fine. We have the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with Hydrating Honey. This is very nice. I like this. If you're familiar with Sunday Riley Good jeans, this is a very comparable item, I feel, and it's cheaper. I'm trying to think. I don't know if I have any more. I don't know if I have a lot of products like this in my skincare closet. If not, I would consider repurchasing. I got a lot of stuff to use up first. We have the Josie Maran 100% Argan Oil. I use this on my feet because they're very dry and it's fine. The Derma E Anti-Wrinkle Treatment Oil. I really like the Derma E oils. This sounds weird, but they don't feel oily. They absorb into my skin nicely, and I definitely think that when I use them consistently, I notice a difference. The consistency. The Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Oil. I honestly don't remember how I feel about this. It was a very tiny sample, so it didn't leave a lasting impression. The Vichy Aqualia Thermal Power Serum. Don't really remember that one. And then the Myrrh Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe Herbs and Rose Water. I've used this a lot. I've used several of these in my day. And this is a fine like, spray toner. The Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. This is nice in the winter, especially for extra hydration. The Tarte, what do you call it? Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O. If I recall, I really liked this. It wasn't too hydrating because I do have typically oily skin. But in the winter, obviously I need, we all need a little more hydration in the winter. But if I recall, this did not make me feel too oily or look too hydrated. I'm not really into the whole dewy thing. That's not my vibe. But I think I liked this, if I'm remembering correctly. The Fizz and Bubble Watermelon Lip Scrub. I like this. I prefer the bubble. This is the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream, so just the moisturizer version of the water mask. I liked this too. The Laneige products they almost feel like a serum gel. They have a nice texture. They're kind of almost relaxing to apply. So that was everything that you've seen before in previous videos, but I just wanted to do like a quick recap. The latest things, oh boy. Okay, we have the Dr. Zenovia 10% Glycolic Acne Peel Pads. This is a product that I do use very consistently when I have a peel pad because I feel like that's the best way to tell. And I can never notice an immediate difference. So I'm always torn on these because they don't irritate my skin, make me break out, make it look red, sensitive, anything like that. But I never think, ooh, my skin looks better because of these. I just notice when something affects it negatively. If I had more, I would use them. I don't know that I would seek them out to purchase them. This is the Derma E Ultra Hydrating Alkaline Gel Booster Hyaluronic Acid Alkaline Water. This was okay. I don't quite know if I was using this product correctly. I was just putting it in my hand. I mean, I was using it the way it says to, but it just felt like water. It's very thin. It's an alkaline water, so I'm not really sure what it was supposed to be doing. I don't know. This was kind of an interesting product. I was literally just using it to use it. I didn't know why I was using it. The Tatcha, the water cream. This is okay. I don't love this as much as everyone else does. It's fine. But I'm not gonna probably repurchase it. And I can't find the other one, but I have 2 of the Sunny Riley Good Jeans minis. This is a lot like the Farmacy AHA Honeymoon Glow. This is a lactic acid treatment. Deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. And when I do use this every day, I do notice a difference. My skin looks, it does look brighter. So I guess I should make sure I have an AHA resurfacing complex. I have 2 items left that I did not finish, but I will just roll them into next year's project. This is the Peach and Lily Super Reboot Resurfacing Mask. Retexturize, soften, and glow. I just haven't really been masking a lot lately, and that's the reason this is still here. I just really haven't been doing a lot of masks. And then the Fourth Ray Beauty Matcha Face Milk. I'm not sure I use this at all because I still am not sure how to use it. I gotta look that up. So those are the only 2 things that I haven't finished yet. If you guys do a turn and burn project, I would love to know how your progress went for this year. I think that I would do this project again. It's nice to use the smaller things up because it feels like such an accomplishment, and then you're excited to use other things, and it's a vicious cycle. So let me know how your projects went this year for finishing up, especially skincare, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.